Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. Woo! And we're there with a flashback Friday. Remember, the series continue with the throwback them. With Vendetta Boss. Man himself, Alkaline. With Taam. This was after the New Level Unlock album. So, we're found another one, yeah? And here with the GSA car. No enough people are waiting for another one, you know. Enough people are waiting for another one, yeah. So I'm going to go another one, yeah. Let's go. Let's get it! Let's go! Sorry to interrupt your video, guys. They again with some more promotions, guys. So if you need your videos or your songs to be on the platform, you can follow me on Instagram and send me a message in my DMs. Serious inquiries only, please, if you want prices and stuff like that, and you're serious about putting the music out there as a young artist and big artist. Same way, you can do that same way by linking up. You see me? Jamaica_verse_gamer on Instagram. You see me? Also, guys, if you have any party you promote and you need promotional prices, also you can link me up for that. You see me? But yeah, let's get back to the video.
Let's have a look at Taam, man.
Let's have a look at Taam, man.
Nothing serious.
Let's have a look at, you know? You know what? Let's have a look at. Let's have a look at, you know? Nothing too tough. Hold on, I'm taking my glasses.
No, I don't need them worry. No way.
I don't need them worried.
Never chick on a China.
I don't care now the world I be a fuck me go on with. Wrong brother, I don't need them worried. No way, I don't need them worried. Spend a grand for them and them put in a song and them fly off worried. Whenever them know him at a new place.
Why you know when you try
show the world a new face. Come sit up on a new place, them give it since 2 days, I'm gonna jam you like shoes, yes. Oh God, them not gonna tell me serious, till it's too late. Hold on, ease up, alright, let's get to the lyrics. That one I dropped 8 years ago. So that one you fit. So all the people them will tell me if react to this and react to that. If it's not 8 years, probably 7 years, I would go the lowest is 7 years. It have to be 7 years and up. Like older than 7 years. Nothing under. And throwback we go. Let's go! Buckler! Oi! I know me.
Taam.
Nah, man. I know me. I rang somebody them attack. Hey!
No, I don't need them worry. No way, put me them worry. Never chick on a child or a care in the world. I be a fucking worry. Wrong bread, I don't need them worry. No way, could me them worry. Spend a grand for kill a man and them put it in a song and them fly off a reel.
Hold on. So him a tell us say your brother, I couldn't mean you one worried brother. Like, think again, dog. Like, pretty facts. Him not have a chick or a child or a care in the world. Cause I be a fucker him going with. So guess what? It would be detrimental. Big word. Can I get a big word in the comment section, please? It would be detrimental to try and war with me. Cause me not have a care. Me not have a care in this world. Me not have a chick or a child, brother. Wrong somebody you try war with. Me suicidal, I would kill you. But more likely say me not gonna kill myself.
Spend a grand for kill a man and them put it in a song
and them fly off worried. So he might tell us say yo, he will spend a grand. Them time they might talk $1,000 US. He will spend a grand for kill a man and then put in a song and then fly off foreign. Them can't hold them foreign. That's what the G say.
Spend a grand for
kill a man and then put in a song and then fly off foreign. What them you know when me at a new place?
Why you know when me I try show the world a new face?
So he must say yo, why this have to happen now when me there at a new place? Like when me there on a new level. When me I try show the world say yo, me can actually be a law-abiding citizen. When this have to happen now, when time me I try be good. When this have to happen now, when time me I try put myself together and put a different foot forward. One want to see me like dark place all the while. Wrong man, wrong somebody. Let's go again.
Why this have to know when me at a new place? Why you know when me I try show the world a new face? Come send me up on a new pace, the newest pace since toothpaste, and I'ma jam you out like shoeless.
The newest pace since toothpaste, and I'ma try to jam you out like shoeless, brother. Why you try to jam you out like shoeless, brother? Don't do it, dog. You go sorry. come stumble upon a new place.
The newest place in stood place.
I'm a jam you like shoeless.
Oh God, them now go take me serious to the too late.
Fire there must tell them think a cool breeze. Them now go take me serious until it's too late. Them now go take me serious until couple of them fall up a ground and yam dirt permanently.
The newest place in stood place and I'm a jam you like shoeless. Oh God, them now go take me serious to the too late. Till one day when they just reach and I pull and get. Till one day then drop asleep, dog and a two week. Till a day them realize me take this deeper than the music.
Brother, I'm not gonna left it until me head chip. I'm forward down the yard, come bleach bound until you forward in things say all is well and all is well because on reaching on the home now, on things say all is well. Brother, me there is a bleach. Not go take me serious until me there on the gate I wait for one for bust out on the head, brother. At that time, yeah, go take me serious. Remember, say me take this deeper than the music. Yeah. I don't sing me, I sing this. It's deeper than the music. Oh, let's go.
Oh God, them now go take me serious till the too late. Till one day when they just reach and I pull a gate. Till one day then drop asleep, dog and a two week. Till a day them realize me take this
deeper than the music.
One of them know say I'm in a rush, I'm in a 2 years. One of them know say when the soup cold, it have a new taste.
Brother, the man say, yo, one day if I know say me take my time and do my crime them. One day if I know say, yo, me not drink the soup and it hot, brother, me wait until it cool. One if I know say, me make a thing say peace and safety, but a sudden destruction under your clot. Eh? How one if you know that? I told you, Jason, not me, let's go.
One of them know say I'm in a rush, I'm in a 2 years. One of them know say when the soup cold, it have a new taste. Somebody couldn't tell him say flour just bust him case. My God, you couldn't tell him say man no have as man a to play.
Somebody couldn't tell us say flour just bust him case. Which flour him attack? Him attack about flour as in flour case, flour bag, or flour 1mg them. I think it's 1mg them. Like somebody couldn't tell us say flour just bust him case. Member say flour they on a murder charge. So you know say flour just bust him case on the back of the road now. Flour they by my side. Flour we give you some of this. Watch it.
Somebody couldn't tell him say flour just bust him case. My God, you couldn't tell him say man no have as man a to play.
Yeah.
Them a go get it if I not today tomorrow. Me just a go and go easy before me go harder.
Them a go get it, brother. If I not today or tomorrow. If I don't know what later. If I know 1 o'clock or 3 o'clock. Yeah, go get it, brother. Just know say I go get it.
Them a go get it if I not today tomorrow. Me just a go and go easy before me go harder. Mother go get it, the bikini them a get it. Everybody me a last.
Mother go get it, the pitney them a get it. Everybody me a last. Me a wipe out your whole gingeration, aka generation. Me a kill everything, brother. Everything I go down in a hole. You know hear what father done telling you? I saw. I'll come and fall near you and get peace to watch it come and fall. Feather fly. Feather fly.
Mother go get it, the bikini
them a get it. Everybody me a last.
Me a the manager, the CEO, the boss. The hypocrite will bleach out but still darker.
Me a the man, the CEO, the boss. Remember say him my own boss. Remember say he's been his own boss since him found in the music business till now. As what him say to alright, left apart there. As what him say, nobody not cut him key. Him in this by himself. You see me? So I wonder if you know say yo, him my own boss, brother. I wonder if you know say them time when he bleach out, but him still dark. Still dark, brother. Not the complexion, you know. Not the complexion darkness.
Me a the manager, the CEO, the boss. The hypocrite just bleach out but still darker. Almost 6 bills from a black Balenciaga. So if you make me have to run your down, it a cost you.
Almost 6 bills from black Balenciaga, brother. If you make me run it down, me I go tired. If me tired, me I go angry. If me angry, me I go rise my matic. If me rise my matic, I go get it. I don't know if you know, say, hey boy, don't make me get tired. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna say, not me.
Almost 6 bills from a black Balenciaga. So if you make me have to run it down, it a go cost you. So me I tell you one of me, you want worry.
No way, no me don't want worry.
Never cheat
or tell her kid of the bread up, you fucking me going with. Wrong bread, I don't need them worry. No way, I don't need them worry. Spend a grand to kill a man.
Them better not reply to every girl with DM them.
Them better love the 2 o'clock and the 3 p.m. then. Una better no, hey, some of you love bumbuckler make girl rolling in the dog. Una better not reply to every girl with DM in the dog. Una better not reply to every girl with DM on no. Cause it's a girl me I go send for come trap on and clap on. Yeah, and that's right there. Man, tell her.
Them better not reply to
every girl with DM them.
Them better load the 2 o'clock and the 3 p.m. then. We knock them down, then take the gun, them we are not feed them. Them want to hype, them want to feed them. Alright, then
we are gonna give them then. We knock them gun and we knock them down and take them gun. We are not feed them then. Alright, you don't want to hype? Alright, see one here. We are gonna give you a seat, yeah?
We knock them down, then take the gun, them we are not feed them. Them want to hype, them want to fame. Alright, then
we are
never
gonna
give
get them
them.
then.
Put up your hand if you want hype and if you want fame.
Put up your hand if you want Dorian Samuels to call your name. R.I.P. to the great Dorian Samuels, passed away of the Big C. Big up yourself, moms. You passed away. May your soul rest in peace. Aye, put up your hand if you want hype and if you want fame. But don't show up your hand. Just me. Just me. And you get it. Put up your hand if you want Dorian Samuels to call your name pan 6 o'clock news. Put up your hand. You're gonna make a headline. Headline. When they making headlines. That's how it. My mind fell out. Let's go.
We knock them down, then take the gun, them we are not feed them. Them want to hype, them want to fame. Alright,
we are gonna get them then.
Put up your hand if you want hype and if you want fame.
Put up your hand if you want Dorian Samuels to call your name. If you don't get it on the lane, you get it on the main. You better anyway, you're not safe in the dog. Remember, don't tell me my father your gate come knock it on you in the dog. Remember, some don't tell you get it in your sleep, you know. Remember, right now, me tell you say your brother, if you don't get it in the lane, you'll get it on the main. Me not afraid. Remember, some don't tell you say me have a chick or a child or a kid in the world, I'll be a fuck. Me go on with you know. Remember, you know.
Put up your hand if you want to name. If you don't get it on your lane, you get it on the main. And if your girl dead with you, she get it just the same.
Moms, me not partial, you know. Me not like you. Cause you fuck a boy, you know. Me not like you. What list to moms, eh?
If you don't get it on your lane, you get it on the main. And if your girl dead with you, she get it just the same. The whole fucking world see tongue, no see it. Them a no track, them cars no arm, them a sleeveless.
Oh, buckler! The whole fucking world see them, but them not see it yet. Them not what I'm saying? Them are not check. Them cars no arm, them are sleeveless. Metaphor, the comparison there, bro. Yeah, them are not check, brother. Them cars no arm, them not no arm, them cars no arm. They cars no arm, they're harmless. They're harmless. They're scared like several pussies. They're scared. Them harmless. Like sleeveless. None arm. Yeah, Jesus Christ.
The whole fucking world
seated them not seated.
Them are not track, them cars no arm, them are sleeveless. The boy if he kill me, leave me mother breed it. Me are the youngest son of baddest son of motherfucking realest.
The boy if he kill me, not even me mother breed yet. Yeah. Him not.
The boy if he kill me, leave me mother breed it. Me are the youngest son of baddest son of motherfucking realest. So me I tell you what I mean. No way, I don't need them. Cousin having papers for sure, say mad and guess we my parade.
My cousin having Bellevue papers them. My cousin is a registered patient at Bellevue. And guess who my parade? So that means if cuz kill you, nothing not come out tight, cause he's a registered madhead. Yeah?
Cousin having papers for sure, say mad
and guess who my parade?
And can't go jail.
I don't mean him, can't go jail.
I swear to God,
I don't mean him, New level. New level. Alright, make it clear. We can't run this one. Make it run out. Sorry for the long reaction, but me not pass it again. Make it run out. Taam.
Come.
Hey. Enemy.
Taam.
Yo, yeah, I don't need them worried. No way, I don't need them worried.
Never
chick or a child or a kid in the world, I'll be a fucking worried. And brother, I don't need them worried.
No way,
I don't need them worried.
Take them,
get them and put them on sand and fly off worried. Why you say I don't know what they're new face? Why you know when you're trying to show the world a new face? Come sell me up on a new piece.
The newest place in stupid place.
I'ma jam you like shoeless. Oh God, them not gonna take me serious till it's too late.
Till my day when they just
Reach and I pull them hit.
Till my day then drop asleep, dog and a 2 week. Till I day them realize
me take it deeper than the music. One never knows if I'm in a rush, I'm in a 2 years. One never knows when it's too cold, it's about new taste.
Somebody couldn't tell him say flower just bust him case. My God, you couldn't tell him say man
I haven't read the 2 years. Them I go get it if I know to that tomorrow. Them I go dog easy be food for me go harder. Mother go get it till bikini, them I get it everybody. What else? Me are the CEO, the boss. The hypocrite bleach out but still darker. Almost 6 bills from a black Balenciaga. So if you have me raffle run your dog, you take a cast.
So me I tell you
I don't need them worried.
No way,
I don't need them worried.
Never chick or a child or a cure in the world.
I be a fuck with me go on with. Wrong brother, I don't need them worried. No way, I don't need them worried.
Just in a rifle up down.
When you get a day.
Them better not reply to every gal with DM them.
You better load the 3 o'clock and the 3 p.m. them.
We knock them down, then take the gun, them we are not feed them. Them want to hype, them want to fame.
Alright, we go give them then. Put up your hand if you want.
Hype, and if you want fame.
Put up your hand if you want no rain service for calling name. If you don't get it on your lane, you get it on the main.
And if your girl there with you, she get it just the same. The whole fucking world see it,
and them not seated.
Them man no trek, them cars no arm, them sleeveless. The boy fi kill me dead,
them mother breed it. Me are the youngest man and the motherfucking realest. Yo, Frost, I don't mean them one read. No way, I don't mean them one read.
Cause nothing papers for sure, same man.
And guess who my parade? Wrong brother, I don't mean them one read. No way, I don't mean them one read. Yeah. Nah. Unlock. Yeah. See it there? On the axe feet. On the axe feet. I wanna get it. What I gonna tell me say now? What I gonna tell me say now? Eh? Remember say if you like the video. Remember say we out here say put out the song that people forget about. Our people don't remember. Remember say song release every week, every day in Jamaica. So we there do, we are bring back the classics them. Remember. You see me? Remember say the song them have to be at least 7 years old before me class them as a throwback. Before me class them as put them in the segment as the throwback. Yeah, make sure say you like the video. Make sure say you subscribe too. Cause you don't know someone out here put out the work. You know? Yeah. And big up all of my fellas, co-workers them. Big up the co-workers them. No matter what you do, as long as the music involved, any topic you're gonna talk about, big up on yourself, dog. Big up the G them out there putting the work, dog. We see you, no dog, and respect everyone out there who do them things. You see me? Alright. This time I'm gonna leave down still. I don't mean them read. No way. I don't mean them read. Spend a gun for kill a man and them put them a song and them fly off. Yo, look more.
Jamaica's worst gamer.